real superstars this evening are the nominees and winners of the ET Telecom Awards. But the process of identifying these star performers haven't been an easy task. The undertaking, though tough, has been successfully executed with the help of a very distinguished jury. The votes of the jury, as indicated in the score sheets, were captured for independent tabulation by Ernst & Young Private Limited. And tonight we have with us Mr. Shailen Desai, Telecom partner, Ernst & Young, to present to us the judging process of these very prestigious awards.
As part of the process, initially we received more than 75 entries, which practically covered the length and breadth of this sector. True to its form, the competition in the marketplace spilled over into this process as well. Ernst & Young, we tabulated the final jury scores, and accordingly, the winner was determined. The entire process had international benchmarks around inclusion, independence, and confidentiality. In fact, that's the reason why the sponsors and their group companies did not even participate in these awards. So on behalf of Ernst & Young, I would like to congratulate all the participants and the winners for making this industry proud. Can we have the final awards process, AV please? Thank you.
The Indian telecommunications industry is one of the fastest growing in the world. The industry witnessed consistent growth during the last year on the back of rollouts of newer circles by operators, successful auction of 3G, broadband wireless access spectrum, network rollouts in semi-rural areas, and increased focus on value-added services market. It was in this scenario that the Economic Times, India's leading business daily, instituted the ET Telecom Awards, presented by Global Group. The main aim of the awards was to recognize performance and felicitate the innovators and movers and shakers of the telecom industry. A very elaborate methodology was drawn up to determine the winners. The first step was to call in for entries. The next step was gathering and validation of data received by way of entries. Next came the screening round, where all entries were then appraised by an independent jury who shortlisted the top 3 entries in each category. Another set of jury members then met to review the shortlisted entries and determine the winners. The votes of the jury were indicated in the score sheet and then captured for independent tabulation by the team from Ernst & Young. This was how the final winners were chosen.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time now to begin with the ET Telecom Awards. But before we begin, let's put our hands together to applaud for everyone who has deservingly made it to the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands up for yourselves. And to give away the awards in our first segment, I would like to invite on stage Union Minister of State and Communications and Information Technology, Government of India, Mr. Sachin Pilot. And Group CEO Global Group, Mr. Charudatta Nayak.